Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tarot with Donna, where we dive into the energies of your career, your professional life, and what the universe has in store for you. Today, we are going to take a deep look at what's happening in your workplace, especially with all the drama, politics, and challenges that some of you might be facing. If you have been feeling like things are a little chaotic at work, whether it's office politics, bias, or lack of growth, then this reading is for you. I've already shuffled the cards, so let's see what's going on in your career and what the future holds for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if this reading resonates with you. I would love to hear how things are going on your career path. Now, let's see what the universe is trying to tell you about your job, your co workers, and your career progress. Okay, let's dive right in. The cards are giving me a lot of intense energy about workplace politics, bias, and job changes. It feels like there's a lot of drama and tension in many of your workplaces, and honestly, I'm not really surprised by the energy here. The first card is Five of Wands. Now, this card is all about competition, conflict, and struggles. Some of you may be facing office politics. That feeling where there's a constant competition, back and forth drama is there. People are seeking attention to get promotions, and people are seeking to get promotions through, petty conflicts, manipulation. It can be really frustrating, right? I'm seeing that some people in your office are playing games and creating tension just to get ahead. This is the energy around some of you right now. Constant struggle is something what I'm seeing. Next up, we have Seven of Swords. Now, this particular card, I can see betrayal, deception, and leaving things behind. I feel like many of you might be contemplating leaving your job due to unfairness or bias from management. There are supervisors who are not acknowledging your hard work. And I'm heavily seeing the favoritism and bias at play, with some people getting promotion and raises while others are overlooked. And I can understand all this is leading to a lot of frustration, and it seems that people are just tired. If you have been feeling this, you are not alone. There's a sense of unfair treatment or unequal opportunities for growth, especially if you feel like you have put in the work and still have not been rewarded. Like there have been a couple of people who are hearing this reading, and you are not being appreciated and recognized by your supervisor for the work done, and for some of you the credit has already been taken by the xyz members of your team. Now for those of you feeling like leaving is the only option, know this that we have the 8 of cups here, and this card is talking about leaving behind what no longer serves you emotionally, mentally, or physically. So many of you might be thinking of changing jobs or even looking for a fresh start elsewhere. So, whether you have been dealing with a toxic work culture, manipulative co workers, or just lack of growth opportunities, this card is saying that it's okay to walk away from the situation that don't serve you. It's time to let go of what's draining your energy, okay? And make a move that aligns better with your true path. But hold on, we have a beautiful card, and that is the Wheel of Fortune. Wow, trust me, this Wheel of Fortune is bringing some great news for you. And this card is talking about fate, new cycles, and a change. Change as a beautiful change, okay? For those of you who are feeling stuck, like there's no way forward or no opportunities, trust me, this Wheel of Fortune is telling you that new opportunities are coming in soon, okay? If you have been searching for a job or waiting for something to change, the tides are about to turn in your favor. I'm feeling that January or Feb 2025 is going to be a game changer for you people. Expect to hear back from interviews or job applications within this time frame, and know that something new is coming. Okay. Then we have wow, the Ace of Pentacles, which confirms that the new beginnings in your career are on the way. And that's for sure because Ace of Pentacles is a very beautiful card. Now, this card is a big, big yes for those of you who are looking for a promotion, a new job, financial increase. Okay. If you have been feeling like your work hard has not been recognized or you have been waiting for that pay raise or job offer, you will be hearing some positive news soon. This is a fresh start, which I'm seeing, and it feels like it's going to be more rewarding than before, both financially as well as in terms of the personal growth. I'm strongly sensing that in March 2025 could be the month when your professional life really starts to stabilize and grow. So hang in there, okay? For those of you who are wondering about some numbers, okay, let me see what numbers I'm getting, and what I'm picking up is the number 5, number 8, number 1, number 3. Okay, so we have the number 1, which is the number of new beginnings. So expect to see the doors opening for you soon. Then we have the number 8. Now, 8 talks about career moment, abundance, success. So that means you are on the right path. Okay, number 5 is an energy which deals with change and conflicts. So again, things are in motion and will soon shift. Okay, don't worry. Number 3, so 3 is about collaboration, new partnership, teamwork. Okay. So as far as colors are concerned, I'm sensing that red is an important color for you this month, especially when dealing with the stress of workplace politics. It is the color of action and confidence. I'm also seeing green because green colors brings the balance and the healing, especially when it comes to making decisions and finding peace in your work environment. Okay. So let me recap for you guys and girls. If you are dealing with office politics, bias, or unfair treatment, just know that the wheel is turning, okay? Change is definitely on the way, whether you are moving into a new job, finding new opportunities, or experiencing a refreshing start in your current role. So keep your head high because you are worthy of success and fair recognition, and that is coming for sure. Okay? So cheer up, guys and girls. If this reading resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear about what's going on in your career and how these energies are playing out for you. Also, follow me on Instagram at Tarot with Donna for daily updates, career tips, and extra magical guidance. Wishing you all the best in your career journey. And remember one thing, okay? I know you might be feeling very negative at this point of time, but your path is unfolding and change is coming soon. Get ready for new beginnings and positive shifts in your professional life. Until next time, keep shining and stay confident. Lots of love. Bye.